Using intonation to express emotions and attitudes. Master English pronunciation. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering English pronunciation. Today, we're going to delve into a vital aspect of spoken English: intonation for expressing emotions and attitudes. Intonation, the rise and fall of your voice, is a powerful tool in conveying meaning beyond just the words you use. It's all about how you say it. Intonation, in a nutshell, is the melody or pitch contour of your speech. It can imply attitudes, emotions, and different kinds of meaning. Understanding intonation is an essential part of becoming fluent in any language, and English is no exception. Remember, just changing the intonation can dramatically alter the meaning of a sentence. For instance, "You're going now" can either be a simple question, a surprised reaction, or even an expression of disappointment, all depending on your tone of voice. In this section, we'll talk about how intonation helps to express different emotions. Typically, a rising intonation shows surprise or interest, while a falling intonation may indicate that you are making a statement or giving a command. Let's consider a simple phrase, "Oh, really?" If you say this with a rising intonation, it might convey genuine surprise or interest. On the other hand, if you say it with a flat or falling intonation, it could suggest disbelief or skepticism. So, practice and pay close attention to the rise and fall of your voice when expressing emotions. Intonation is also an excellent tool for expressing attitudes. Are you annoyed, bored, excited, or amused? Your intonation will tell the tale. A monotone voice might convey boredom or disinterest, while varied, lively intonation could indicate excitement or eagerness. Take, for example, the response, "I can't believe it." If you say this with a quick, sharp rise and fall, you might sound annoyed or angry. But, if you draw out the words with a slow, dramatic rise and fall, you could come across as surprised or impressed. And there we have it. Remember, intonation is about more than just pitch. It's about expressing emotions and attitudes. Understanding and practicing intonation will make you sound more natural and fluent in English. Don't be afraid to exaggerate these patterns a little when you practice, as it will make your everyday speech more engaging and expressive. I hope this video has shed some light on the importance of intonation for expressing emotions and attitudes in English. As always, keep practicing, and happy learning.